Welcome to the installation video for the Midea U-shaped window air conditioner. Today, we'll go through the installation process for your Midea U-shaped window air conditioner and bracket. Unboxing. When opening the box, you will find your Midea U-shaped window air conditioner and installation bracket. You will also find the main bracket, one right extension arm for 22 to 26 inch wide windows, one right extension arm for 26 to 36 inch wide windows, and a hardware bag with two 1/2 inch Type A screws, two 1 inch Type A screws, two 1.5 inch Type A screws, and a window sash lock. You will also have two pieces of sidearm foam, window sash foam, adhesive window sealing foam, 5 strips of bracket sealing foam, additional sidearm foam, and a flat sill adapter. There is also a user manual, quick guide, and a remote with batteries. The tools you will need for installation are a Phillips head screwdriver, a level, a tape measure, a pencil or marker, scissors or a knife to cut the foam, a drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit, and you may also need a flathead screwdriver. Installation. The first step for installation is measuring the window width to determine the proper right extension arm. If your window is 22 to 26 inches wide, you will use the short extension arm. If it is 26 to 36 inches wide, you will use the longer extension arm. It is not recommended to install this AC in a window wider than 36 inches wide. Now, grab the main bracket and insert the extension arm in the right side by pulling the spring pin as you slide the arm in. Flip the bracket over and remove the blue tape from the bracket which holds the outdoor support arms in place. Rotate each support arm up so they're in the proper orientation. Now, if you have a flat windowsill, you must install the flat sill adapter in the windowsill. Start by placing the flat sill adapter in the center of the windowsill so that the window sash lowers just behind the vertical face of the adapter. Mark the 2 holes and drill 1/8 inch pilot holes. Next, screw 2 1 inch Type A screws into the flat sill adapter to secure it in your window. You may now place the bracket in the window, ensuring the main support is centered in the window and resting on the interior side of the window lip. To aid in installation, press the adjustment buttons on the outdoor support arms and slide them forward to rest against the outdoor wall. If you do not have a window lip, the bracket should be placed on the inside of the flat sill adapter. Pull the spring pin on the front of the bracket and slide the extension arm out until it rests against the face of the window frame. It is okay if there is a small gap between the extension arm and the window frame when the spring pin is seated. Repeat on the other side. Using the 1/2 inch Type A screws, screw the ends of the extension arms into your window frame on each side. For flat sill windows, you must also screw through the top holes in the bracket. Start by drilling 1/8 inch pilot holes and then use the 1.5 inch Type A screws to secure the bracket into the windowsill. Next, place the level on the bracket as shown and adjust the outdoor support arms by pressing the adjustment buttons on each side of the arm. Be sure to press the lower adjusting button for easier adjustment. Pull the outdoor support leg in towards you until the foot rests against the outdoor wall. The bracket should be level or a quarter bubble towards the outside. You can adjust this angle by changing the hole number for each outdoor support arm. Check that both outdoor support arms are in the same number hole. Now you are ready to install the AC onto the bracket. To prepare the AC unit for installation, fold down both sidearm hinges from the slot. Next, remove the tape from each side of the U-slot. Remove the screws from the anti-tip arm slot and set them aside for later. Slide the anti-tip arms out on each side about 1 inch. Using 2 people to lift the AC, place the unit on the bracket and slide it out until the flanges on the bracket pass through the grooves on the bottom of the unit as seen here. It is now time to install the foam insulation in the remaining window opening. Start by measuring each side and cutting the sidearm foam to length. Install the adhesive window sealing foam to the sidearm foam for each side of the unit as shown. If you have a flat windowsill, be sure to use the additional sidearm foam as shown. Slide the anti-tip brackets back into place inside the slot of the unit and insert the sidearm foam on either side and check for gaps. Adjust the foam as needed to seal any gaps. Now, slide the anti-tip arms on either side out into place. Ensure they are extended into the vertical window track and secure them with the screws removed earlier. Next, cut the adhesive window sealing foam to the width of your window and attach it along the bottom of the sliding window pane. This will provide a good seal against the unit when the window is lowered into place. Cut the window sash foam to your window's width and install it in the gap between the upper and lower window sashes. Check for gaps and seal any open areas with the bracket sealing foam provided. Install the optional window sash locks by screwing the bracket to your window frame. You can also use the window locks located in the slot of the U to secure the window in the lowered position. Rotate these window locks out until they contact the window pane. Plug in your Midea U-shaped window air conditioner and enjoy. The window unit is now fully installed and ready for use. Thank you for watching the installation video for your Midea U-shaped window air conditioner.